Your long-ranged missiles perforate the chest of my days. The injured sunlight has lost its gold. There is another war. Across the war. And in between ensued a brief pause. That U.N.O insists upon. To call it peace. In fact, it is a break to make fresh arrangements. To launch another war. Wars get nourishment from our bodies. The boundaries are the factories of wars. I shall neither fight for monarchy nor for democracy. Even the sacred armies have fallen from the lashes of my eyes. I shall only favor for peace. I am ashamed of those flowers and birds who are compelled to become fodder of wars of man. The crown of creation